afternoon, respected VC ma'am, Dean sir, and other respected family members and our esteemed guest and dear student. So today is a special day. In today's CGR, we are going to have some special interactive talk on the career option for the medical student from the very esteemed dignitaries from the Armed Forces Medical College. So I invite Dr. Sameer to kindly introduce.
Thank you, Dr. Sarika. First of all, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries, my friends from the Armed Forces unit of Lucknow. Today, on the 14th of February, we remember the martyrs of Pulwama attack, and probably this is a wonderful day to have our partners, our colleagues, our keepers of peace from armed forces to be present in King George's Medical University to give a talk that I have seen, I've experienced them working, and it gives me immense pleasure and it is an honor to welcome them on behalf of King George's Medical University and Pro-VC Ma'am, Professor Ajit Kaur Ma'am, and Dean Medicine, Professor Atam Sir. Let me introduce and welcome Lieutenant General Shiven Singh Sir, who is been awarded AVSM and is an alumnus of Armed Forces Medical College from Pune. He is a specialist and his area of interest is anesthesiology and critical care. No doubt he has worked in anesthesia and critical care. He has got the opportunity to represent the Indian Armed Forces and go to Sri Lanka, Colombo as a part of Indian peacekeeping force in way back when the Sri Lankan insurgency was going on. Lieutenant General Shiven Singh is a diploma holder in critical care medicine. He has also done postgraduate diploma in healthcare management from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. He has held multiple administrative positions and at the moment is the person who actually has brought King George's Medical University and Officers Training Center at AMC Lucknow together. He was the stalwart who actually started ATLS and skill programs in collaboration with King George's Medical University at Lucknow. And to tell you that the biggest achievement to train 32 officers, doctors at a time, this has first time happened in India at Armed Forces OTC, which is in Lucknow. The collaboration and the contribution of King George's Medical University through the skill center, through the Vice Chancellor's office, through different departments have been immense. So it is an honor to welcome you, sir. Thank you very much.
Jai Hind. On behalf of Indian Army, Armed Forces Medical Services, AMC Center and College, and our Commandant, Lieutenant General Shiven Singh Ati Vishish Seva Medal, I extend a very warm greetings to the august gathering here. It is indeed a true privilege for me standing in front of the eminent faculty and bright medical and nursing students. आज आपने जो वीडियो देखा, हमारा मकसद है आपको एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो कि आपके देश की सेना की मेडिकल और सुरक्षा प्रदान करती है। हमारा मकसद है कि हम आज आपको इस आर्म फोर्सेस मेडिकल सर्विसेज से 250 साल की गौरवशाली इतिहास से आपको अवगत कराएं, आपको प्रेरित करें इस प्रभावशाली वर्तमान एफएमएस के पार्ट बनने के लिए। हमारी आशा रहेगी कि ये सेशन, इंटरैक्टिव सेशन, आपको सही जानकारी दे पाए जिसके माध्यम से आप एफएमएस का पार्ट बनने के लिए प्रेरित हो सके।
Thank you, Professor Sameer, for a wonderful introduction. And I'll answer your question first. At this age, you're already doing what you can for us. I actually want to place on record my gratitude to the KJMU for actually hand-holding the AMC Center and College for us to become a nodal center for the ATLS. And Dr. Sameer has been very kind to give us all the credit, but he's got a very large hand in all that. So thank you so much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Abhijit Kaur, the Head of Department of Medicine, Professor Alam, Brigadier Pradeep Srivastav, and my ATLS colleagues, distinguished faculty, dear students, interns, residents, nursing cadets. It is my privilege to address all of you today. You are the future of medicine in India, and the choices that you make now will shape not only your careers, but also the health and strength of our great nation.
Myself, Dr. Vaibhav, I'm a trauma surgeon. So my first question on behalf of our MBBS students is, so how they are going to assimilate as a short service commissioned officer, and what are career prospects for them to function as a permanent commissioned officer, and what after that?
So if I have questioned correctly, you have two questions. When you join armed forces, I'll touch upon the short service first and then work on the permanent commission. I'll inform you about that. So when you join, you are initially given a commission of 5 years as a short service commission officer. If you want, after second year of your service, up to 5, you can apply for permanent commission. So based on your career record for the time you have served, as well as we have an interview which we call as the Departmental Permanent Commission.
Dr. Monica Sharma, and currently JR2 in anesthesiology. And I have served with Army as captain for around 1 year, and after this I have joined here. So I have one doubt. After completing this MD, we have 2 years of bond here to serve as postgraduate in UP only. So if we want to join as a specialist in Army, we will be eligible after 2 years of bond or after the completion of MD only.
I will answer you. Can I hear you? No bond is actually applied when you apply to a government job. So after you complete here and immediately you join and you get a call and you go to join there, you can easily join and the bond will be actually foregone.
Well, what can I say? It was goosebumps all the way, sir. It is my onerous responsibility and a very proud privilege to say the word of thanks here today. As an aside, as a side note, sir, the first principal of this college, this university now, it was KGMC when it was started. It was Lieutenant Colonel Selby. So we started with the army being at the helm of our affairs, and I think we are, coming a full circle with the association with the AFMS now. So life has, a strange sense of humor. So it's my great privilege to thank you, Lieutenant General Shilen sir, Brigadier Anadure, Colonel Sanjeev Bari, and Captain Saurabh Bhogde. Thank you for sparing your time, for coming here and enlightening us about the career options for our medical graduates, nursing graduates, and paramedical personnel in the army. Thank you to our Pro VC Madam, to Brigadier Srivastav, to our Dean, Professor Atam, for allowing this. This actually, sir, 1 to 2 p.m. is reserved for our CGR, which is the clinical grant round. Our CGR is very sacrosanct. not mess with 1 to 2 p.m. time. This is a one-off affair, when the university has allowed us to have this event in place of this CGR. So we are really thankful to the university administration, to our Pro-VC madam, to Dean Academics for allowing this to happen. And thank you to all the faculty, the residents, the MBBS graduates, the nursing people and the paramedical people who came here for this special session. Thank you all. Jai Hind.